Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to remove forgotten password on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, first of all, just use the charging cable of your smartphone to connect your smartphone to a laptop or to a PC. Now let's do this. Let's connect one end of our charging cable to our smartphone and connect the other end of your charging cable to your laptop or to your PC. Now, once you have connected your smartphone to your laptop or to your PC, now from here, you don't have to do anything on your laptop or on your PC. Just connect your smartphone to your laptop or to your PC. Now, after that, just press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Now, keep pressing the power button and the volume down button until the screen goes black. Now, after that, just remove your finger off the volume down button and keep pressing the volume up button and do not release the power button. Now, as you can see, we have entered to the recovery mode. Now from here, just navigate the screen by using the volume down button. Now from here, just select Wipe Data, Factory Reset. Now just press the power button to confirm your action. Now just press the volume down button and select Factory Data Reset. Now just press the power button to confirm Factory Data Reset. Now just wait for a few seconds for your smartphone to wipe all the data on your smartphone. Now after that, just select Reboot System Now and press the power button to confirm your action. Now it will take a few seconds for your smartphone to reboot and to wipe all the data on your smartphone, including the lock screen password. Now from here, just tap on this drop down arrow and select your language. Now once you select your language, just tap on OK. Now from here, just tap on Start. Now from here, just tap on Agree to All and tap on Agree. Now from here, just tap on Setup Manually and tap on OK. Now from here, just enter your Wi-Fi password. Now once you enter your Wi-Fi password, just tap on Connect. Now just wait for a few seconds. Now from here, just tap on Use My Google account instead. Now from here, just enter your Gmail account. Now once you enter your Gmail address, just tap on Next. Now from here, just enter the password of your Gmail address. Now once you enter the password of your Gmail address, just tap on Next. Now just enter your Gmail address one more time. Now once you enter your Gmail address, just tap on Next. Now from here, just enter the password of your Gmail address. Now once you enter the password of your Gmail address, just tap on Next. Now just tap on I agree and tap on Don't Copy. Now just tap on Next. Now from here, just tap on Skip and tap on Skip Anyway. Now just tap on More and tap on Accept. Now from here, just tap on Don't Back Up. Now just tap on Continue and tap on Turn On. Now from here, just tap on Forgot Password or Don't Have an Account. Now just tap on Setup Later in Settings. Now from here, just tap on Skip and tap on Terms and Conditions. Now from here, just tap on More and tap on I agree. Now just tap on More and tap on Agree. Now from here, tap on Next. Now as you can see, you are all set up. Now just tap on Home. Now as you can see, this is how you can remove forgotten password on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.